Supercharge your writing, mastering synonyms in an academic context. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to supercharge your academic writing skills by diving into the wonderful world of synonyms. Synonyms, as you may know, are words or phrases that mean exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language. In an academic context, they can be your secret weapon to make your writing more varied, expressive, and engaging. Let's get started. Synonyms play a crucial role in academic writing. They help us to avoid repetition, which can often make a text dull or monotonous. By using synonyms, we can add variety and make our writing more engaging and easier to read. Additionally, synonyms can help to precise our meaning. Different synonyms often have slightly different connotations, allowing us to choose the word that fits best in a given context. Now, it's not just about randomly replacing words with their synonyms. To use synonyms effectively, you need to be aware of their contextual meaning and connotations. Just because two words are synonyms does not mean they can be used interchangeably in all situations. For instance, let's consider the words ask and inquire. While they're synonyms, inquire is often used in more formal or official contexts. So, if you're writing an academic paper, inquire might be a better choice. It's also important to avoid overusing synonyms. Too much lexical variety can make your text hard to follow. Balance is key. One of the best ways to learn synonyms is through reading widely in your field. Pay attention to the words authors use to convey their ideas. Another effective method is using a thesaurus, but always remember to check the context and connotation before using a new word in your writing. Practice is paramount. Try replacing overused words in your previous essays with appropriate synonyms. You can also try rewriting paragraphs from academic texts using different words. So, there you have it. Understanding and using synonyms effectively can greatly enhance your academic writing, making it more engaging and precise. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the path to mastering academic vocabulary is through practice and immersion in your field. So, read widely, write regularly, and don't be afraid to experiment with your language use. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.